What's the meaning of cafe? Cafe. Cafe.
Cafe. Cafe. The word cafe refers to a type of informal restaurant that typically serves coffee, light meals, and snacks. The term is often associated with a laid-back atmosphere conducive to conversation, relaxation, and socializing. Cafes can be found in many different countries and cultures, each with their own unique character and style. Some are designed to cater to specific groups of customers, such as students, artists, or professionals. While the primary focus is usually on coffee and other beverages, many cafes also offer food items ranging from pastries and sandwiches to more substantial meals.